Okay, guys, so we will start from the list, and this is the fourth video here. So, from the list sorted, I had covered the rest part from the uh, list, and now I'm starting from the sort part. So, let's start with the sort. Sort means ascending it in the form of ascending order or ascending the digit or number alphabet in ascending to like small to the big number. So this is how it's work. You can also like reverse the ascending means we can say that descending from big number to the small number. For that we have to use this syntax. Now let me show you how. So first we will create the list and then we will type this list dot sort parentheses. Now what was the reverse equal to true true. Now this, let's see if this reverse. Yeah. So this got reversed. And what do you mean by reverse? It not get reversed from direct this list. First it get ascending order. Means properly they get ascended. Now then they got reverse. So for that I'm showing you. Dot sort. Let me show you. What was the real answer? This was the real answer, and after that we will get the ascending. So descending part. So I hope you got this. Now we will move to the next, which is list method copy. So it's so easy. You can just copy the list and join the list. You can also join the two list like create a one and two list and just put list three is equal to list of plus list two. Now list method. So list method means append. These are the important things. So you have to learn this and very carefully you have to memorize some of these. So I will recommend you to memorize append. It means add an element at the end of the list. Clear, remove all the element of the list and copy, return a copy of the list. Count also you have to learn like return the number of elements with the specified value. So we will just see this example append. How the appending of the list work. Let's see. If add an element to the fruits list, let's add at the last the append parenthesis method appends an element to the end of the list means it will append the element at the end. For example, fruits we have the list name with the fruits. We have the list name with the fruits apple, banana, cherry. Now fruits dot append an orange. So we want to add orange at the last. So we'll use this type of command append command. These are the syntax list dot append an element in the parentheses. See. Now we will move to the next, which is the count one. So important, it's also important. It's used for counting the list. Fruits equal to apple, banana, and cherry. X equal to fruits dot count cherry. So in that way we can count this. Like we create the first we have to create a different variable for counting this. Let me erase this and do it again. Like X equal to fruit dot count and what we want to just write it here, which I want to count cherry, and now let's run it. Okay, 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 okay. I forgot to give the double quote here. Sorry. Cherry. And let me make it more specified. Like I will write now run. What's wrong now? Line 3. Print x equal to fruit. Okay, 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 okay. These are some spelling mistakes. The command is similar, but this is the mistake of a spelling, so don't worry about this. You can just use it like this. Yes, so there are two cherry here. So we can use like this. Sorry. Now we will use. So these are the syntax list dot count and put the value in the parentheses. Now back to the list method, which now next insert. You know that pop mean remove the elements at the specific position. If we want to remove the element from a specific position, we will use the pop. And for that, we also have to put the index there. Remove, reverse, and sort. We all know this all, but let's see the pop. Pop in pop, we also you have to put the index. Yeah, see here the index one. Fruits dot pop index. It means we are also giving the index one. So index one is here banana. So banana will be removed. Let's see. See here. Fruits is equal to apple, banana, and cherry. This is the list we have. And fruit dot pop index one, which is like banana. And when we run this command, the banana get removed. So it means removing the a specific part or a specific element from the list is done by pop. Let's move to the next topic. So dictionary, Python dictionary, and then we will read the tuple, set, and Python keywords, exception class, and then built-in modules and all. Then we will go to the this like this is so detailed one, detailed Python. You can just study Python in detail from this W3 school. I'm preferring W3 school because this is so good actually. So list all part from the list is completed. List method, list exercise is left. Okay. So let's do the coding problem. Then we'll move to the tuple. List code challenge. Let's see we can do. Create a list called colors with the value red, green, and blue. Okay. So let's create the list. Colors with list red, red, orange. Oh, sorry, red, green, and blue. So we created the list here. And now print the first item in the list. So for that, print, give the parentheses, and now colors, and give the index, which is first, right? So probably with 0. And now change the second item to yellow. So for that, replace, we'll use the replace program, print colors, colors dot replace this the command. Put second item means yellow. We can use the yellow. Second item. So put second to yellow. yellow. Now add purple to the end. So we will use the append, print colors dot a p append, sorry, append colors dot append what? Purple. Okay. Purple. Remove red. Okay. So print colors dot remove which is red. Print the list. Print colors. See. Let's see what happens. If there is a mistake, then we will correct it by the solution or by doing anything. Okay. So first, these challenges are correct. Here one, two, three, and four, five. Run a mirror for this one. Yellow. Change to yellow. Okay. So this command is, I think, wrong. Print replace dot. Okay. Change the second item to yellow. Let me see it. Colors, okay. Direct replace button. They are using direct button, but I wrote everywhere the print, so that's why. But still, the command are good enough. But don't worry. So colors index one equal to yellow. So you can also use the direct code, but no worry. But my method is good, so go with this. Let's check it now. Yeah. Now everything is correct, but go with that. Okay, don't write this directly. Write print and color index one equal to yellow this way. Now let's move to the next topic, which is the tuple. And I hope this is a smooth video so you can learn many things from this. Python tuple. Tuples are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Let me fix this. Tuples are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Tuple in one or for built-in data type. It's like read-only memory. A tuple is a collection which is order or unchangeable. You can just not change anything inside the tuple. It's just read-only memory. So this tuple example, if apple, banana, and cherry, we write this tuple in the bracket parentheses. Now print this tuple. This is so easy. This is ordered, unchangeable, allow duplicate, and for accessing tuple, we will use the same thing index one, writing the same like a list, and the index will start from negative to the n minus one like this, a minus one for the last element. So you can do this thing. Range of index like this. You can print the range by putting two index there. Update the tuple. Python update tuples like tuples are unchangeable, meaning that you cannot change, add, or remove item once the tuple is created. But there are some work around here to change tuple values. You cannot change the tuple. Never. You can also not add anything like this. You can also use loop and all, join also. Let's see tuple exercise and we will do then code challenge. Because tuple is similar to the list, so you can do it easily. So by solving the problem, we will learn the tuple. Okay. and we will go in detail in sets and dictionary. So, which one of these is a tuple? This tuple, this. Fruit equal to use the correct syntax to print the number of the item in the fruits tuple. Okay. So fruits equal to number of item in the fruits tuple. Okay. So fruits. So we will put length. This is let's see. Yeah, length fruit. Length and we'll put fruits. Fruit. Correct. For accessing the length. Tuple item cannot be removed after the tuple has been created, which is true, and it's read only memory type. You can access the tuple item by referring to the index number, but what is the index number of the first item? It's 0. These are all your homework you have to complete by yourself. I'm just helping you right now, so you have to do it by yourself. Fruits equal to use the correct syntax to print the first item in the fruits tuple. Use the correct syntax to print the first item in the fruits tuple. So just select fruits and put the index which is just first item. Let's see. It's correct. Next, use negative indexing to print the last element in the tuple. Same thing. Fruits minus one. Okay, let me try. Let me try again. What is this? Yeah, I wrote it. Okay, spelling mistake I did. Fruits minus one. Yeah, spelling mistake. There was a spelling mistake. Use a range of index to print the third, fourth, and fifth item in the tuple. So printing third, fourth, and fifth it means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th. So we have to put this also. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Third, fourth, and fifth means 3 to 6, I guess. Wait. 3 to, okay, not 6, okay, right? Fifth, oh, sorry. I wrote it like 6. I read it like 6. That's why. 3 to 6. Oh, again, 5. What? What is wrong here now? Okay, sorry. Third element. Okay, 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 okay. I got it. To the fifth. Correct. This is so easy. You cannot change the item of a tuple, but there are arounds which of the following suggestion will work. Converting tuple into a list, change items, convert back into the tuple. This is the correct answer. Which is correct syntax to delete a tuple? Delete my tuple dot delete this, and yeah, this is correct, I guess. Okay. Okay, so which one is the correct for the tuple? Okay, delete my tuple. Okay, these short forms are you can just use anything from here. True or false? You are allowed to add a tuple to an existing tuple. No. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. By changing it to the list, you can do it by changing it to the list. So these are the small mistakes, yeah, but it's cost your number. So that's why be careful. Okay, solve this all. I'm just waiting for you to solve this. Fruits equal to apple, banana, cherry. X, Y, Z equal to fruits. Print Y. Fruits equal to apple, banana, cherry, X into Y. Fruits, print Y. Then it would be, it's writing XY. Okay. So Y1 will be there, X and Y. So banana and cherry will be there, I guess. Yeah. Fruits equal to apple, banana, cherry, mango. And Y is there, print Y. So beside this X and Z, everything will be there. Banana and cherry will be there. How is this one? What is the correct syntax for looping through the items of the tuple? So easy. For X in loop this and print this. This is also for X in tuple this. This also. Okay. So here, see this. Okay, okay, okay. Sorry, first one, first one. I didn't saw the semicolon. There are the semicolon also. My tuple. Okay. Insert the missing part of the while loop belong to the loop throughout the item of this. Okay. While and length. So in this way you can solve this, but this will not come to your exam because they will give the long code or paragraph. So just focus on the basic, and I will also teach one big and advanced type of the course, which there will be a lots of questions from Python, which would be of like great length and of great standard range, range of length. Next exercise, join of tuples, joining tuples into tuple 3, then tuple 1 and tuple 2 is the correct way. What is the legal way to turn this tuple 1, 2, 3 into this tuple 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3? This is so simple, just put it this here, or you can also use by changing it to the list. Consider the following code: tuple equal to A, B, and C, tuple 2 equal to 1, 2, and 3, tuple 3 equal to tuple 2 plus tuple 1. What will be the value of tuple 3? Okay, so tuple 1, A, B, and C. Tuple 2, 1, 2, and 3. And here they are adding tuple 2 and tuple 1. So tuple 2 is 1, 2, 3, then ABC. Next exercise. So now these are coming the steps exercise. So now all these are solved. And now we will move to the coding part, code challenge. Python tuples code challenge. Create a tuple called fruits, apple, banana, and cherry, right? This. You will not use this shortcut, okay? It's for me only. Print the second item. Print the number of items. Print fruits dot then fruits. Unpack the tuple into the what do we unpack the tuple? Okay, sorry. Unpack. Okay, okay. ABC will be at the same as fruit and print also. So it's just same as that. I also wrote the same command here. So for that, this is the easy one. And now for last, print A, I guess, print B. Let's check if it is true or not. I think I made a mistake here. I have to put this. No, no, it's correct. Yeah, it's correct. Unpack into A, B, and C means command equally A, B, and C equal to the fruit. This was all about the tuples. Now let's move to the sets and then we will go to the dictionaries. Dictionary and set are important, so we will go through each and everything of this. Wait. Sets are used to store. We can use the sets by using my set, apple, banana, and cherry like this. Yeah, we create set like this. My set equal to apple, banana, and cherry. Set are the used to store multiple item in a single variable. Set is one of four built-in data type. A set is a collection which is unordered, unchangeable, and unindexed. Okay, but uh, item of the set is changeable actually. Sets are written with the bracket. Yeah, see, set, this set, and curly bracket. Set items. Set items are unordered, unchangeable, and do not allow duplicate values. Very important. Set do not allow duplicate values, and so with the dictionary. Unordered. Unordered means that these items in the set do not have a defined order. Set item can be appear in a different order every time. Unchangeable. You cannot change the sets. Duplicate means no applicable of the duplicates. True and one is considered the same value. Yeah. True and one is considered the same value. See here. This set apple, banana, cherry, true, one and two. So you will get only true, which is one also, two representing one also, and two banana, cherry, and apple. So one and two is the same value. False and zero is considered the same value similar way. Get the length of the set. So we'll use the length and this set for the same type of data type. Every data type works similarly. A string into and boolean data type. We can also create a string, boolean, and integer data type with the sets. Like putting the curly braces there, and this will be converted into the set type. Yeah, we can get the type by using the type built-in function. The set constructor. This is also used to represent the my set. This exercise of the set. We will do the exercise at last. Let's move to the accessing the set. It means by index. The simpler way or simple way we can use this by index form. So by using index we can access the set. Now add set item. You can also add item to the set by dot add this. For example, this. This set equal to apple, banana, and cherry. This set dot add orange prints this set. See, we can add orange to this set. See here, orange is added to the last. Add set. To add item from the another set into the current set, use the update. Okay. Update and parentheses are used to update the set. For example, this is so important, so I will do it. Like set 1, set 2. And we have to update this all in similar one. So we will do like this. This set dot update tropical. Like this is the syntax. This set, write everything by your own hand, either you will forget each and everything. This syntax, this set, sorry, dot update and parentheses just put the thing which you want to update, tropical, tropical. The command will be same, nothing will change. Yeah. So by using update, we can add element from one set to the another set. Add any iterable means we can use like any item in that. We can use list also to this set. If you want to add list to the set, use add update. So in this way you can do this. We will do the exercise after that. Remove set item. Okay, so we will do the next after 5 minutes of the break. So I'm giving the 5 minutes of the break. After that, we will start the topic again. Okay, so let's